The Home Products Development Program at FIT is a major that's focused on the home products industry, which includes everything from furniture to tabletop products to soft home and textiles, everything that you would use in the kitchen to prepare and serve food.
It really is the fashion for the home and our residential spaces in which we live. And so it's got tremendous industry support over the years. And again, it's a very unique program that only FIT has.
But the biggest thing about home products is that it's a really tight-knit group of not just the students in the major, but the professors, because it's the same couple professors that you're going to be having for the 2 years that you're in your bachelor's. And it's just nice to work with people that are so passionate and connected to what they're doing, because it really inspires me to, feel like I'm in the right spot. This is what I want to do. I'm here for a reason.
We teach students about the materials in the home products industry, the manufacturing process that goes on in the home products industry, and the marketing process, so that they walk away with a broad business background.
There is a strong focus on industry. So students are brought to showrooms to meet with industry professionals regularly. There's also the opportunity to travel to trade shows everywhere from Maison l'Objet in Paris to the Chicago Housewares show to the High Point Furniture Market in North Carolina.
If the Home Products Development Program interests you, then visit the link below.